and maintaining awareness in all his activities, one can avoid sinful actions, negative actions. So, doing good actions always, that will fill up the whole mental and physical body is completely changed. In that way, he becomes a man of wisdom, neutralizing all the unwanted imprints. That is the dissolution. So, realizes the truth. Maintaining awareness can change completely the unwanted characters and annihilate the imprints or neutralize. If at all there is little remaining, he will not allow them to act. In such a way, they will fade away gradually, day by day. So this is a dissolution. Taking these three paths, expiation, superimposition and dissolution, one has to apply all the things according to the imprints, according to the disturbances. When we do, whatever we do, there is a result perfectly, precisely. There is no emission or omission in the law of nature. So, first we have to understand what to be done, what is needed. Then we have to plan our life. According to the plan, we have to do this. For this, mentally and physically, there should be strength. Streamlining of the mind, disciplining the deeds, needs sufficient intensity of the magnetic field and the subtler wave in the field. That will come only by meditation and introspection. By meditation, you automatically, suppose you are thinking of small things, you are taking shape and image of the cow. The characteristics of a cow is imprinted. At the same time, you expand your mind to the whole universe. Understand the working order of the whole universe and the greatness of nature. There is a difference in the image, and the taking shape and image, there is difference. Accordingly, you are characterized. So every thought is characterizing our personality, our magnetic force. So by doing good things, not allowing negative actions and negative thoughts, giving auto-suggestion and maintaining awareness, by streamlining the mind, by meditation, disciplining the deed, following the virtuous path, morality, duty, charity. We can get away from all the sinful imprints gradually. If there are something left, that will be cleared by the sons and daughters in the next life. So this is the process of purifying our soul, purifying our personality, so that when the purification of the mind comes, automatically the consciousness develops without obstruction to the fullness, perfection. In the perfection of the consciousness, it gets into the static state, almighty, realizes that is I here. Because of not knowing, only in the sensual attraction, I have done wrongs. Now I won't do that. In this way, realizing self, at the same time realizing all other things and their activities and behaviors, dealing with everything and everywhere properly, our life will be successful, harmonious, happy. With these words, I conclude my speech and wish all of you enlightened in this subtle subject, which is very important for spiritual practitioners.